Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the weather location on Microsoft Surface Pro X. So first of all, you will need to get the widget, and to do this, simply hold your finger onto the taskbar and open taskbar settings. Here enable the widgets, and now we'll be able to see the widget weather. So click on it, then click on these three lines next to the weather, customize the widget, and now you can search for a new location. Let's go with Warsaw. You can also change the units from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now the place should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.